Today I'll show you how I used 4 wooden wall decor plaques that I purchased at Dollar Tree. First I removed the strings and the tags. And I removed any leftover wood from the holes. Next I attached 2 of my plaques in opposite directions using Fix-All adhesive and Gorilla Hot glue. Then I used Gorilla Hot glue to trace out the pattern. Once I was done tracing my pattern with my hot glue, I took both pieces outside and I spray painted them gold. Then I attached 2 mirrors that I purchased at Family Dollar to the center of each one of my pieces using Gorilla Hot glue and Fix-All adhesive. After I added my mirrors to my pieces, I thought they looked a little plain, so I cut out 2 even circles and I attached them using masking tape to my mirrors so that I could create a border around my mirrors. I applied Fix-All adhesive around the edges of my mirrors. And I used face filler gems to create borders around my mirrors. My gems were not the same metallic gold as my wall decor pieces, so I covered my mirror once again, and I took it outside and I spray painted my gems with the same spray paint that I used on my wall decor. Next, I'll show you my 2 wall decor pieces once I was all done. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.